Mina bazalwane ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ngithi angiqale ngokuchaza indaba yelesiwasho lesi that I spoke about in one of my videos esikwenza ukuthi ke ukwazi ukuthi ukhulume with your ancestors directly. It invokes them and iyabasondeza ibabize ukhona ukuthi ke uxhumane nabo directly. It's a very complicated process but simple at the same time. So I have to ngichaze because I've gotten so many WhatsApp messages asking about it. And then fanele umuntu ngichaze ukuthi actually angikwazi ukuthumelela sona. And these are the reasons. Number one, you can't use it unsupervised because you need umuntu oseceleni ozokhona ukuthi mawukhuluma akubhalele phansi yonke into oyishoyo. So it's like we don't see what you are seeing. We don't hear what you are hearing. We only hear what you will be saying in terms of inkulumo. Esifikayo ukuthi ubona ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi nansi into ekhulunywayo. So we're getting the information from you. So fanele kube khona umuntu eceleni ozobhala yonke into oyishoyo and yonke into othi uyayibona. Ne, that's for one. Two, leso siwasho asihlaliseki ngaphathi when uyabuyisa really hectically mekuthi kukhona udoti osificela ngaphathi kwena mokuthi unongcola ngaphakathi asihlaliseki so uyabuyisa and then I have to connect this video. So most supposedly anything can happen, and by anything it doesn't mean a bad thing, but it means ukuthi kuningi ongenzeka in terms of inkulumo, in terms of izinto ezibonayo. So umuntu needs to know ukuthi okay, this conversation is not going as planned and how to disconnect lezo inkulumo ukunqamula. So they need to understand that process, and that's why leso siwasho awukwazi ukuthi usebenzisele ekhaya. You need to ukuba la esigodlweni where you can monitor ukuthi ke hayi kuhamba kahle noma akuhambi kahle, so we need to then cause the disconnection. Yabo sicela ukuthi abadala bakhona ukuthi ke bayophumula umntwana wabo overwhelmed. So that's another thing. And then also sisetshenziswa at a particular time ikhathi zabantu abadala. So mekuthi ufikela esigodlweni isikhathi ezokwazi ukuthi ke sisetshenziswa ngayo is 6 p.m. ne kushiswa impepho kuneimpepho ezahlukahlukene ezihlanganiswayo kwazi ukuthi ke ibadonse bonke ngokuphelela kwabo, and then whoever comes through and communicates, then that's the person egogijimela phambili, and even when they done communicating other people can show up as well. So leyo nto idinga ukuthi umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi agada kumonathisha akhona ukuthi abheke situation ne. So that's the other thing about the swasho list. So mekuthi sizobhuka isikhathi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ufike esigodlweni ke usebenzise leswasho, prior to you being given leswasho usula esigodlweni, you have to undergo a cleaning process ukuthi uklineke ngaphakathi, so that when you do come for your booked day ukuthi uzosebenzisa, you at least at a clean enough state where sizokhona ukuthi samkeleke in your system and ukwazi ukuthi lokho fanele uthi ukufeze ngaso ukhona ukuthi makufezeke ne. So that's the thing about leso swasho ke leso. Right, moving on to in terms of ordering on the website ne, men order izinto or iwasho or imithi, whatever that you've used, please do WhatsApp me so that ngizokwazi ukuthi nginichazele kahle ukuthi ke lokhu nalokhu ngicela ukuthi ukusebenziseka. I need to advise you so that you have the best outcome possible, because mozosebenzisela wena, yes I do have directions on it and stuff ngitshela ukuthi okay lokhu into ethi liyaqhuma iyageza whatever, but in terms of ukuthi moy odile izinto zakho online or even directly from me on my WhatsApp, ngikwazi ukuthi ngikuchazele kahle so that lokho ufuna ukuthi makwenzeke kukhona ukuthi makwenzeke ngendlela le office uthi mayenzeke ngayo, and not just ordering a product and utilizing it ne. All right, and then when it comes to order ojazi or izembatho or iphika, please specify the design. And also if you order like izembatho like omnazareta ne that have a specific design, please be specific in terms of also your height, so that sizokhona ukuthi ke usichazela ukuthi lo mnazareta wakho udinga ukuthi ufike emadolweni or udinga ukuthi ufike on your ankles, so that it is cut according to what you need. Ungatholi into, for example, you are short, like if you like me, umfishane, isihusha phansi when you're walking, it's causing difficulty, it becomes problematic. So to make it easier, uthole lento oyidingayo, because people order and then it's a whole complicated situation. No, it's too long or it's too short. But umuntu ahluleke ukuspecify, you have to specify ukuthi I am short, so into kanje idinga ukuthi ifike kanje, uyabo, so that uthole exactly what you need. And nawe uyakhona ukuthi ke into yakho ungayikhaleli ibe ngalesimo lesi usithanda ngaso, because being short or tall does affect the height of your item, ne? And then ukuthi ke ufisa ibikwe, please let us know about. Before I got cut off, yes, you need to also let us know whether ufuna sivele sekuthumelela into yakho or uyafisa ukuthi sibike. If it just idinga ukuthi ibikwe ngomthandazo, then specify. But ngolwazi lami and how I know more odinto ezeyithunya sidinga ukuthi ibikwe emanzini. So sikwazi ukuthi ke siyokubikela ke empophomeni, because we usually go weekly sempophomeni, so it gives us time sazi ukuthi no, when we go fanele sihambe nesembatho somuntu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi simbikele sona emanzini ke, and then we send it to you, ne? Yeah. So, and another thing again, when it comes to amabhidane that people order, amabhidane, the ropes, ne, lezi zesonto, amabhidane, you need to specify ukuthi these are the colors that I saw, or kanye ngakhonjiswa ibhidane lasemanzini. Those that know the differences ukuthi ngikhonjiswa ngathi ibhidane lasemanzini, then njengami mina nginebhidane lasemanzini, so I know the colors that go with that. But if ngekho i-specification kanjalo, just say that ibhidane and these are the colors that I saw, so that kuzokwazi ukuthi kwenziwe ibhidane lelo dingayo. And also amabhidane do come in different sizes, so you also need to let us know whether it's the thick one or it's the thin one. And then lastly, bazalwane, indaba kagwayi. Ugwayi, we're not a manufacturer. We don't have a machine that make it. Tina sigayela tina from scratch. Ngezandla zethu, uyabo. So siugaye. So because abantu order in different quantities, umunye will order 5, umunye will order 10, and remember somebody had ordered 10. Umunye will order 3, some will order 2. So because abantu abahlukahlukene are ordering, we need to make sure that everybody gets into yakhe in a timely manner, uyabo. On top of that, phela siyasebenza esigodlweni, it's not like we're just chilling. Ignoring that, please give us at least 3 days to ensure ukuthi lokho odile is ready, and then another 3 days for delivery, because we utilize Postnet no PEP, ne? So Postnet takes about 3 days, PEP can take 3 to 7 days depending. So at least ukhona ukuthi ke uyinike leyo timeline. So please try and order in due time. Unga order ngoba usuyawudinga, usufuna ukubhema, you know, and you need it like now. Give us due time ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthole into yakho. And then also, meguthi order istock and ufunela namathwasa, just let us know so we can just give you for free isibhemiso as well, uyabo. Meguthi ke uordele namathwasa. Amen. Before I forget, ngibonge nje all those that continue to support and subscribe and comment on everything. I see you, I appreciate you. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I am so grateful for this journey, and I'm so grateful that we continue to be a part of our Mbanda family, and just sikhule sonke, sikhule together, and sicuphelelana ulwazi, sikwazi ukuthi ke si-advisane, sibuye senzane babap, because it's rough in these rosy streets. It is rough. And for those that have spiritual kids, please don't go do okay, for those that have children that are spiritually gifted, that come from spiritual parents like us, please do go watch my last video. because I hope that it will shed some light in Kinga Ekamuga with having spiritual kids, and it can really be rough. But I want to continue to create circles of people that we can discuss such things and sikhulume, silekelelane, si-advisane, sikhulisane on how to navigate impilo edlozini and even with our children, and also practice cleanliness edlozini, so that nawe ungakhona ukuthi ke udlale izinto zomhlaba. Amen.